Hello there guys, welcome to another episode of Project Zippy. I've just had a bit of help this morning, just connecting up the heater hoses, pushing them through the bulkhead and everything while keeping the grommets in, and the choke and heater cables are through as well, and that's all I've really done off camera. Oh, and I've retorqued the head as well after running it before. So yes, exciting stuff. So all else I have to do now, get all these connected, and then I can fill the cooling system up with water. Well, not water, coolant, you know what I mean. Bottle of stuff down there. And then we'll just run it to temperature and make sure it's all okay. Make sure the timing's set right, because the dizzy is still not actually tightened up. So, need to do that. And then we still need to fix some wiring. Probably do that before I start it up again, because that's for the temperature sensor, no connector on the end of it. So I'll fix that as well. Yeah, that's about it really. That's all it needs doing before we can drive it. Well, actually that's a lie. No, I need to put the clutch hose on as well, from here to there. Fill it up with fluid, bleed it. All the brakes need adjusting and bleeding as well. So yeah, no, we've got quite a lot to do really. Certainly not all going to be done today, as you can imagine. Wheel bearing to do, tracking to sort out. Yeah, all fun stuff. Right, best get on with some of that then, shall we? Okay, so that's the choke and heater cables connected up now, and we have filled it up with coolant. So let's see how easily it will actually start now. We can actually use the choke. Okay, here we go. Fantastic! I best open the door. Okay, so yeah, the engine sounds pretty good, runs well, so I'm really happy with that. I don't know, you can see it's pretty dark. I've got the gear selector installed off camera, and I've put the clevis pins in where the EMAR cylinders meet the pedals as well, because both of those aren't the easiest of jobs, and there's not much you'd have been able to see anyway. So yeah, that's good. I've got an issue with the exhaust is actually touching the gear selector, which is a pain in the backside. But that exhaust didn't fit right when I got it. It was a second-hand one because mine snapped, so I picked up a second-hand one. It never fitted right, and I had to sort of beat and hammer the thing into shape. So I'm going to have to get it up a bit higher on the axle stands, so I can get under it a bit better and just beat the crap out of it again until it sort of fits a bit better. I would just buy a new exhaust, but currently we don't have any standard ones in at work, and I don't want to go down the stage 1 route with this because I'm trying to keep it looking fairly original. So yeah, there we are. That's what we have to do anyway, so I'll just have to hammer it and reshape it a bit. No big deal. Yeah, so I've not got too much time left today. It's Boxing Day today, so I'm not wanting to go home too late. I don't know what else I'm going to do next, really. Good question. I need to put the horn back in. I could do that. And yeah, I mean, there's all sorts of bits and bobs I can get done. So let's see what else we can do anyway, shall we? Okay then guys, that's me done for today. Got the wheel bearing sorted as well, and a few other little knickknacks. So yeah, so I'm not going home too late today. It is Boxing Day, so there we are. But yeah, today it now runs. It has a wheel bearing and got all the gear selector in and the clevis pins on the pedals. So yeah, not too bad at all. And I've also had a big tidy up because hopefully the guy that I'll be sharing with from very soon, well, he might be moving in tomorrow, so I've had a bit of a tidy up anyway. So yeah, there we go. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like the video, then drop us a like. If you haven't already subscribed, then go ahead and click the button down there to do that. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. Bye for now, guys.